Today we're taking a closer look at the Laminate Tile Floor Repair Kit, the complete wax system for fixing chips, scratches, and other surface damage. Inside the sturdy storage case, you'll find everything you need for quick and easy repairs. An electric iron, 11 wax blocks in different colors, 2 scraping blocks, a sponge, a cloth, and of course, the case itself to keep everything organized. The wax sticks are easy to work with and can be mixed to match the exact color of your surface, whether it's flooring, worktops, furniture, or cabinets. This kit is designed for home, workplace, caravan, or boat use, wherever you need to restore surfaces to their best condition. Now let's see it in action. First, I'll show you how this kit can tackle light damage by creating a few marks on different surfaces. Here in the bathroom, I'm making a few scratches on the tile surface so we can see just how effective the wax repair system is. Using the electric iron, I melt the wax directly into the damaged area, blending the color for a perfect match. Next, over in the kitchen, I'm testing it on a parquet floor. The process is just as simple. Choose the right wax shade, fill in the scratch, and smooth it out with the scraper. In just a few minutes, both surfaces look as good as new. This repair kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts and anyone who wants to save time and money on surface restoration.